In this episode of Performance Car Refurb, we get to see the finished results of how the R32 Skyline GTR turned out. In Performance Car Refurb, we follow two fourth-year apprentices as they learn collision repair tips as they refurbish a Nissan R32 Skyline GTR, a hero and modern classic of the performance car world. This R32 will soon have the show to match its go.
I'm really excited to see this project finished, if I'm honest. It's been really exciting to see two enthusiastic apprentices, two young people really excited about learning new techniques. They've put a lot of hard work into this. We've all worked hard as a team. It's been quite a tight schedule. To get the project finished successfully, just everybody to have a sense of achievement and a sense of pride in the finished product is just brilliant.
I'm actually really proud of not only what I've put in, but what we've put in as a team on this project car. They're definitely not easy. It's a lot of work and it's a big ask, especially to do it in 1 week. You know, we've learnt a lot as well as getting it done. Usually a refurbishment could take months, years, usually anywhere from 6 months onwards to a couple of years at a time. So in order to do this job, just being myself and Cameron would have taken us forever. So I'm really glad that we actually got to come here to 3M's training centre and that we were able to use their resources and their team to help us get the project done. This has definitely been a huge project and I'm so proud to be able to put this on the end of my resume and to be able to put photos in and to show people what I can actually do. It's definitely been a learning curve and I've learnt so much over this last week.
I'm really excited to see the final product because it's been a massive team effort from everyone here at 3M. It's got such a cool story behind it. We all know what we're working towards here. The paint is the best bit because it comes out shiny. Everyone likes shiny stuff. And I get to look through the car and go, oh, that's come up really well. And so I can be proud of that personally. Going through this, it's been a real eye-opener. 3M have got some really great ideas. Yeah, I'm going to be taking a heap back to where I work and yeah, I'm going to be throwing ideas all around the room when I get back.
Every single product that has touched this vehicle is a 3M product. Well, apart from the paint, 3M is really the one-stop shop in terms of providing the finish.
To refurbish a car, there is often more items to address than just the panel and paint. New windows, window trims, rubber seals and badges can help transform a car. The guys at Motive Video also bought new wheels, fitted carbon side mirrors and rear lip spoiler, and upgraded the interior of the car so it's all better than new. The car is now ready for its new 1,000+ horsepower engine setup and will have the looks to match its performance.